Anyway, YouTube fun. Basically, all I'm doing is my son actually just had a dead battery because of something similar to this. And seeing how it's extremely cold out, I'm not getting too picky. I already loosened them up. Waiting on the honey to Lucas. Just waiting on that to drain, so I'd figure I'd clean these up to the best of my abilities. Nothing major. Routine maintenance on them. I have no clue why. I'm not a mechanic. I just know the basics. And try to do my best without spending cash. My son bought this for me. That's what I try to do. Like I said, I know I'll probably get yelled at from a bunch of people out there, but you know what? I really don't give a crap. Whether I do it this way or this way. As long as it gets done, I do not care. And seeing how it's 24 degrees, that's all the more you want to get her done. At least for me, anyway. Sorry about the phone being everywhere. I apologize for that. I don't have a tripod for a phone. I do not have a camera that's worthy of making pictures. I got a little Vivitar or whatever it's called. It's kind of like a GoPro, but it's almost absolutely worthless. So it is. So I use a phone. Seeing how they're as smart as most computers. What the hell? That's how I look at it anyway. One of these days I'll get something different. People actually start watching videos. I will invest in something, I guess. Some car gurus out there probably going nut shit crazy because I did it the way I did it. And it's extremely hard to do this with one hand, so it is what it is, what it is. That's how I look at it. Spin that bad boy around until she's done spinning, huh? This is the view. This is, I do have another video. This actually melted some compared to what it was. Yeah, that looks pretty good. It'd be cool to have that on a freaking drill and go bzzz. Well, I'm sure they have them, but you know what? I don't. Doesn't help matters when my hands cramp up. Oh yeah, nice and shiny. Next. Do the next hole. I know this is about as boring as watching molasses, but I don't know what else to video at the moment. It's about the only thing interesting happening for me at the moment. So it is. But anyway, pretty basic. Now I get to tighten it up, and I'm gonna save you the trouble of watching that.